love rhyming. I love the challenge of it, but you don't have to write a rhyming poem. You can write any type of poem that you want. That's the beauty of writing poetry. In fact, I love to write about the things that make me happy. I love to write about the things that really excite me. I love to write about the things that fill me with joy. And one thing when I was your age that really, really, really made me very happy was Recess. Give me 2 thumbs up if you're a fan of Recess. Oh, just about everybody out there. Very cool. So, another poem from this book describing how much I love, how much I enjoy, how much I cherish Recess. Here we go. Recess, oh recess, we love you, you rule. You keep us away from the teachers in school. Your swings are refreshing, your slides are the best. You give us a break from a really hard test. Recess, oh recess, we want you to know. You're sweeter than syrup, you're special like snow. You don't assign homework, you make the day fun. You let us play kickball and run in the sun. Recess, oh recess, you're first on our list. We'd be in despair if you didn't exist. We're happy we have you. You're awesome and cool. Recess, oh recess, we love you. You rule. Totally rule. So yeah, that's all you have to do. Choose something that you like. Choose something you enjoy. Write about it, and I guarantee when you do that, you're going to have more fun writing. You're going to know what you're writing about, and that makes it more exciting. So that's all you have to do. Just pick something that you like and enjoy and write in that direction, and I guarantee writing will be more fun. It absolutely will. I know it will. I speak from experience. I do. So the next poem I'm going to share with you is